We're getting ready to head down to Assateague State Park. Camp on the beach. It's all sand. There's a dune separating your camper and the ocean. Kids like it because the wild horses come up to the camper. So it's a pretty nice place, but the only problem is, it's 95 degrees down there, and then there's no shade, so you have to have a generator to run your air conditioning. And this Champion I seen on Amazon, and I was hesitant because I wanted one of the red ones so it'd be quiet. It's got enough watts for what I need. It'll run the air conditioning. Right now I ran the refrigerator on electric, the air conditioner full tilt on electric. I turned on all the lights, the radio and the TV, and it was fine. You just can't run the microwave. Microwave, I think, is 16 or 1800 watt. So you guys shut the air conditioner off to run the microwave, but that's not a big deal. Right now, it's probably sitting only 20 feet from us, and it's not that loud. It has an economy mode that you can set it on, that if you're not in the camper during the day and you're not running the air conditioning, you just have a couple 110 volt things running. Like right now, that's on economy mode. All the lights are on and the refrigerator's on. It's just fine. When you got it, comes in the box. It is a little bit heavy. I think it's like 110 pounds, but this handle pulls down. Here's the muffler. When you first get it, you take this access panel off, and there's a tag on there for your motor oil to put your motor oil in, because they don't come with oil in them. And the only other thing I had to do was take this other cover off. Let's see which one it was now. This one here. I had to take these two screws off, pull that cover off. That's for where the battery's at. And you hook your wires up to the battery. You're ready to go. It has a remote with it. I haven't tried that yet, but turn your gas on, turn the ignition on, and turn the system on for the battery, and then you just push the red ignition button in. This is your choke. You have to push it in to start it, and push the red ignition button, and when it fires off, it'll spit and sputter. Just push the choke back out to run, and it's as smooth as can be. You can hook the camper directly up to it. It's got two 110 outlets with it. But it's really, I thought was neat. I don't know when I would use. I guess you have a dead battery. There's that comes with it's a jump start. Plug it into your 12 volt DC, and then you can take those jumper cables onto the battery. If you have a boat or something that you're using with a trolling motor, you can use it to charge the battery that way too, I guess. Gives you an overload light and a low oil light. But if you're running in green, you're good. Every once in a while when my air conditioning kicks on, because I don't think I have a hard start on mine, it'll flash the red, but it just flashes and it doesn't do anything. Right now I'm just doing they want you to run it says 5 hours for the break-in mode and then change the oil. So I'm going to run it 5 hours today, change the oil, and then pack it up and head to Assateague. I hope that answers any of your questions. I was trying to think when I was looking, you know, the name Champion, you know, I didn't want to get something that was, you know, not up to standard. But then I didn't want to pay double the money either, so this is a really good buy. I'm really happy with it. Any questions, you can call the company. There's a number there. They seem pretty helpful. But if you get one, it's a good buy. Good luck.